Check, check. All right, what up, what up? Damn, really just missed this move over here. I don't think I would have caught it anyway. Sheesh. Let's see what this candle can do right here. No sound. Ooh. Oh, thank you there. I had it on mute, sorry. Thank you. So check this out. Obviously I was waiting for some sort of break below here. Bro, below this level here is an insanely incredible opportunity for sells. But it hasn't, it's kind of just dropped impulsively. Like it dropped in the 5 minute here, came back up. A lot of people would have taken buys right here, anticipating, oh, that was some sort of liquidity grab and expecting it to go up, but it's come back down. This is such a strong level down here. And if this candle can close below this zone, it kind of sucks because I want to be a part of this trade, but we'll just see what happens here. Oh, what up, Laser? What up? What's happening, you guys? Good to see you. Good to see you. So we've got 4 minutes here for this candle closure. I'm very interested to see how this candle closes over here. Very interested. Oh, back from work. I haven't seen you here in a while, Laser. Good to see you, my dude. What's the time here? Let's have a, okay, I haven't really done any much analysis here, so I'm gonna just jump back to the daily real quick and just work my way down. Tian Mustard, hello, what up, what up? Good to see you here in the YouTube chat. Good to see you here. So as you guys can see, look here to the left. This is a super strong level that we're kind of breaking past now. Gonna need some sort of candle closure below that zone, just here. Below this zone, because I want to be a part of sells as well, but there was really not much indication. It kind of just dropped. I'm just scanning through here right now, just seeing, and then here we are on the 15. Yeah, there's not much going on over here. Don't really TikTok during work. Yeah. So I've got 2.5 minutes for this closure. I wonder, like, typically, I don't know, it's moving a bit sus. I wonder if this is some sort of fake out and then the next 15 can reject up, or if it just wants to drop, which is fine. It just kind of sucks because I wanted to be a part of it. Since it goes down so much, why not buy then? Bro, already with the stupid question. Sorry, but fuck, you guys. Think of what you said. Since it's gone down so much, why not buy? If anything, sell. It's going down. Sell. I'm in sells at the moment. Oh, very nice. Yep. Manual, it's just like people have this tendency to try to catch a trade at the bottom or the top of a movement. Like you want to, that's gambling, bro. Like that's literally just gambling. So we want to wait for a candle to closure to try and get some sort of, we want to be a part of this move. Can we accept gold drop up to next support? Oh, it's CPI today. Let's have a look over here. I don't know, man. I'm pretty new. Nah, sorry, bro. Only reason I skits out is because people say this kind of stuff all the time in the chat. Just stick around for a little bit, Manuel. I'll talk through what's going to be the ideal setup over here. Hope you're in Bitcoin buys, bro. I'm not, man. I do feel a bit of FOMO if I'm going to be completely honest. I do feel FOMO for not being in Bitcoin, but that's all right. I'll just have to get rich off Forex. Fuck me, man. Bitcoin is just off. Man, it looks like it's even good for a little scalp, but I just never... Oh, shit, man. Bitcoin looks good for a position. I might trade Bitcoin today. I might trade Bitcoin today. If this can break above this zone, I might trade Bitcoin today. Actually, I don't know if I can with my prop firm. CPI tomorrow, yeah. Yeah, Manuel, let me talk through it. And if you're interested in sticking around for a while, I'm also on YouTube right now, so you can kind of watch on a screen. Just write Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube. Which was monthly breaker structure. Let's have a look at the monthly. Oh, yeah, we did break the monthly candle over there. Interesting. What does the weekly look like? Yeah. But let's see if we get some sort of retracement before it really takes off. So the 15's just closed there. Like, the 15 is out in the open now. I can't do anything with this 15 because it's just out in the open. If I look to take a sell right now, what am I going to put my sell up here, which is, you know, 80 pips away, right? So I have to hang out for a second here and see if something happens. I'm floating 56K. Wow, it's incredible. Bitcoin for the win. Bitcoin did a 10,000 daily candle. Did it really? Where do you think the next support is? Big support is? Well, we have to, in terms of where it can get to here on gold, it's pretty easy to have a look. Let's have a look over here. The next area where it's going to just gravitate towards, at least, is right here. You can see it immediately. There's going to be two zones. If you scroll to the left, you'll see this wick over here, which is kind of where we are now. But let me just close this down a bit. You're going to get two zones. It's going to be right here, this level right here, and also here and here. Like, there's a few levels on the way down here to the left-hand side. So let's see if gold can at least create any type of support to give us some opportunity to be a part of this journey. The 30 minutes still open, so anything can happen over here, guys. I've seen it all before. Anything can happen. Oh, Manuel, my G. My G. Check, check. Oh, that's better. Check, 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 check. Okay. All right, so. Oh, I can hear myself, bro. That's so much fucking better. Okay. So gold has come down. It's impulsively moved down. Closed strong. And it's given no indication. It just said, see you later, mother effers. I'm off. Right? So now we've got to hang out for a second and see if an opportunity arises. Because right now, it's been detected that the live chat didn't appear on your screen. Bro, what are you talking about, TikTok? Yeah, the chat's here, bros. Yeah, so anything can happen out here in these streets on the charts, so... Yeah, CPI tomorrow. Now, like I said before, I'd be interested because the 30-minute candle's still open and the 1 hour closes in 11 minutes as well. If this does head all the way back up and break back into range, that'll be interesting, right? Because technically London isn't open yet. Like, that London volume isn't here yet. So we could get this as like a big liquidity sweep or whatever, work our way back up a little bit and then come down with either New York volume or London volume. The possibilities are endless over here. So it looks like it's working its way back up now. And we'll just see what happens. Which site are you using? This is called Trading View. So this is kind of where you can just view the charts really, and then I'll open over to a different thing to actually place a trade. Which reminds me, I should probably get that opened up here. Yeah, look at this, you guys. It's heading right back up over here. It's heading right back up. So a lot of people just got absolutely stomped right there. The lower time frame guys are just shitting their pants right now because they took sells and they took buys and they, you know, they're all over the shop. Wow. Sorry, you guys. Let me close this stuff. MGC. Man, I really need to save like these presets here for NinjaTrader. Oh, lazy caught 12 pips. Good, man. Good. Oh, what up, Dillawa? What up, what up, what up? Good, man. Just over here watching gold. We had some pretty impulsive moves just over here. But looks like it's kind of moving back into range here before London Open, which is interesting. Not much, but it's honest work, bro. If I caught 12 pips, I'd be a happy man. That's a good trade. Look at this big wick over here, you guys. The 1 hour is still open. What does the 4 hour look like? 4 hours, not doing a whole bunch. I was a bit sus because below here is a huge level of support that if broken, it's probably going to have a lot of momentum to continue down for a while. Typically, you'll need like a 30-minute candle up to a 1 hour onwards, closure below that range before it takes off, right? And we just impulsively had a 15-minute candle come down and it was like, that's sus. That's sus, man. So it's just rejected all the way back up. Seen this a lot. I've seen this many times. What's the range? If this was a smaller range, I'd be looking at taking a fake out position, but that's a 70 pip range. If it does want to continue up for a little bit further, it might want to create another wick, and I don't want to be a part of that. I don't know. We'll wait. I might take a buy shortly. I don't know. Had 3 trades today, all sells. Yeah, bro. Sells have been crazy during the Asia. 2603 zone. Yeah. I took the last move as it broke below the support, caught about 318 pips. Well, if that was me, brother, I would be not even looking at the charts again, because that's incredible. I'd be done for the day and just say, see you later. I don't want to potentially give my profits back. Type shit. Why aren't you trading Doge, bruv? Because I only trade currency pairs and things like that. I only trade gold. I literally only trade gold. I used to trade multiple pairs and do this and that. And like every time crypto does something well, everyone's frothing from the dick about crypto, but I'm just like, bro, I'll just stick to what I'm doing, which is trading gold. I honestly, guys, I never dabbled in crypto, and I don't have that much interest. Like, yeah, I get a bit of FOMO because it's like it does these crazy things at times, but I'm chill. I'm cool with Forex. Why aren't you trading crypto? And I don't trade crypto because I don't like, I'm a technical trader, and I don't think that crypto respects technicals the same way that like currency pairs do and stuff. You know? What are your thoughts on liquidity pools and Ethereum nodes? I have no idea. I think you mean liquidity pools as in like hedge funds and things like that are kind of pumping liquidity into crypto. How long can gold return to 270? How long can it, or what do you mean? No one knows what it's going to do. I don't speculate like that. I just show up every day and try and get my little piece of the pie, and then come back the next day. I'll let the scientists try to speculate what happens like that. Do you need a lot of capital to make dollars? Is it possible to earn decent with 5,000? Yes. But if you're new to the game, you're probably going to lose it, but that's okay. I would probably suggest just going through prop firms. Buy cheap prop firm accounts and try and pass them, because they have a strict set of rules that you have to abide by. And if you can kind of start proving to yourself that, hey, I can do this. Oh, just a standard bloke crushing it here on the Bitcoin, on the Doge. Yeah, I've seen so much crypto chat, and like with live streams and that, I see a lot of people in chats like talking about crypto. It's just like everyone just jumps on the hype type shit, which is fine. It's cool, but yeah, I just stick to what I know, which is Forex. What you think about super microcomputer SMCI? I have no idea, brother. Oh, what is up, MS M Simone? Oh, now you're spamming things, are you? No. Yep, you're spamming something. You're promoting something. Oh, Ryan, what up, my G? What up? Corsicus one, what up? What up? So we've got 4.5 minutes here before this 15 to close, the 30-minute close, and the 1 hour close. Interesting. The question is, are we going to break back up into this range, or are we just gonna... I'm real, bro. Oh, you are real. Okay, I thought you were spamming something. Sometimes people come in the chat and like spam their own things. I want to start trading, but I don't know where, what to do, or what to trade, website, blah, blah, blah. Start with babypips.com. People say this on the chat all the time, and I say, hey, bro, just go to babypips.com, do their course, learn the fundamentals, and then go from there. Show up to this stream every day, and we'll just try and keep dropping wisdom over here. Oh, what up, Chris? What up? Good to see you, my dude. Price point for Doge, though. You guys, if you talk about Bitcoin in here, I have no opinion. I'm not a part of the Bitcoin I'm not a part of the crypto community at all. I have no idea about nothing. It's like asking me what horse do I think is going to win the freaking race. And I get so many things in the chat now because obviously since Trump's come in, everyone's gone, oh, Bitcoin, crypto. They're like trying to get rich again, like as if it was COVID all over again, which it might be, I don't know. But yeah, I just want to I want to stick to Forex because this is a long-term game. I want to make money long-term, not with the fluctuations of the economy. Oh, Dilawar, you're in sells right now. Again, you just said you got 300 pips today and you're in sells again. Do you trade futures, NQ? No, just gold. Just gold. Yeah, tap back into the monthly over here and it's kind of rejecting. It's got 3 minutes before it closes. I'm not mad if it closes like this. It'll just mean that this is a new range. I'll move this sells below zone to here, pretty much. Which is, I'm not, wow, brain tumor. I'm not going to be mad at this. Like, London Open now, this is our new range here. And I'll honestly be looking like at sells below this range and buys above this range. Pretty simple. I'm not mad at this at all. I think Trump being in the office is going to be good for Forex. Yeah, I think we're going to have a good couple years over here. It's great for traders, I think. Hey, bro, what's the price prediction on Pangolin 2025, bro? I don't know any of that stuff. I don't know anything. I don't know what that means. I don't know who it is, what it is. How do I sell gold? It's too broad of a question. Last election, gold dropped out and crypto shot up. Yeah, I know. Yeah, for sure. So looks like the same thing. Like if you look on the daily, it just looks like a perfect reversal. Right. It's crucial that we get past this key level here, but it looks like the market's been shooting up and now it's ready to kind of start changing structure over here and, you know, working its way back down, retracing down, and maybe in a year or something it will go back up, or maybe it will go back up now. I don't know, but yeah, we'll see. Pangolin is the DEX of Avalanche. Bro, what the? I don't know. That made it even more confusing. Willy Billy Silly, what up? What up? Do you hold physical gold? No. DXY looks strong in election. Hold gold. Yeah. All right, 48 seconds here for the hour 30 and 15 to close. Which chart are you using, mate? This is Forex gold against the strength of the US dollar on TradingView. But then I'll switch over to NinjaTrader to actually execute the trade. Which reminds me, oh, I actually need to set this account up. How do I do it again? Daniel, do you trade futures? Yeah, this is Forex I'm looking at right now, but then I switched to a futures account to actually trade, to be honest. Sorry, gang, I'm just setting up the actual account over here. My trading account. Oh, there we go. That, and then this. Damn, who was on stream last night? I caught it pretty juicy. So, oh, Chris on the gifts. Thank you, brother. I'm new to trading, looking to find something for like long term. Have any should on the lookout for? Probably the S&P 500. But that's more investing. Trading, I think, like I don't think you come into trading. It depends what type of trader you want to be. But if you want to be like a day trader, like it's not really like, oh, I'm looking for a long term, unless you want to be a swing trader. Where are you in Australia? Brisbane. And what time do you usually start and finish trading? I started the London Open. I'll probably hang out for 2 hours. London Open, I came on the stream a bit late today because the London Open is moved an hour forward. Oh, Shah, what up? What up? Hi, is it gold you trade? Yeah, just gold. Yeah, I'm more thinking investing, not trading. Yeah, I'd say S&P 500. For sure. Daniel, do you trade futures? Yeah, I trade futures. This will be futures. I trade futures and Forex, but my 100K accounts are on futures, prop accounts. Oh, thank you for the follow over there, Chief Wiggum. TikTok as well. I'm on YouTube right now. If you want to watch like on a full screen and off TikTok, it's Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm live stream right now on YouTube. I made 7K today. Oh, I'm done for the week. 100%, Shah. I'd be done as well if I was you. That's amazing. Aaron, crypto. No, I keep going on rants about crypto. I don't care about crypto. Fuck crypto. I'm just saying it because I'm like semi-bitter because I never bought any Bitcoin. Nah, I just don't care about Bitcoin, crypto. Done for the day, caught 2 trades. Yeah, Dillawa, I'd be done as hell. I'd be done as hell. So let's have a look at this 1 hour again. Yeah, strong closure there on the 1 hour. So we're in, hopefully can we dance around this range and create some sort of opportunity over here. I'll put something here. Let me just go copy paste. Take this text away. Let's say bias above. Above. Closure. Ooh. That's what I'm looking for, gang. That is what I'm looking for, exactly there. Oscar, Daniel, do you trade futures? Yes. I trade futures and Forex. Today, if I take a trade, it'll be on futures, but I'll be looking at the Forex chart to make my bias. Have you passed a prop firm challenge? No, I'm currently in a 100k challenge right now. I'm actually currently in 2 100ks and one 25k or something. No, 15. So I'm doing them all live over here. I'm with Apex, Topstep, and Funded Next. Any good trading podcasts you can suggest? Yeah, there's heaps. I guess that Words of Wisdom one is probably the main one that people would watch. How much left to your pass? Still a while, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Got a couple % on all of them. Still in phase 1 of them all. But yeah, that Words of Wisdom, I think, is like the main trading podcast. And then from there, you can kind of find some people you like. And most like the top social media traders are like have done multiple podcasts. Buy or sell? Open a buy and sell simultaneously and then just figure it out from there. No, I'm joking. I don't know. I'm waiting. Ben Fox, just passed my first funded 50k. Oh, amazing stuff, brother. Congratulations. Huge. Huge moment. Excellent. Had you playing in the background when I passed? Caught themselves down. Oh, that's amazing. Wow, that's made my day. Incredible. Incredible. Is Topstep good? Yeah, they're good. I need support. Like emotional support, or just like you want to know where the support zone is? Because I could probably help you with both, so hit me up. Oh, fuck. So yeah, we kind of I'm sell heavy over here, you guys, in due time, but because we've broken past that major level of support on a higher time frames now. The 30-minute and the 1 hour have closed strong below these zones, below that zone. So this is interesting over here now. I'm looking for sells today. No money to fund. Oh, I need support. Smith FX needs money to fund his trading over here. Wow. Wow. You could probably, there's 2 options. 1, get a job. 2, start an OnlyFans. 3, start a GoFundMe. So I'd highly suggest the first one, a job. I know it sucks, but it's just a part of life, I guess. Try Feet Finder. Yeah, look, Just Standard Bloke over here in the chat has a good suggestion. Try Feet Finder. Yeah, there's definitely some girls popping off on there with money-wise. Just fund me $10. Smith wants me to fund him $10 over here. I guess in these types of situations, you would really need to consider why, and why would that make sense that I would do that is the question, I think. I feel gold will keep pushing down. Yeah, like even just today, like based on like a technical analysis alone, it looks I'm like very sell heavy bias today, but also open to changing my mind. Keely, oh lol, you're such a nice guy. He asked so politely. No, he didn't. He actually didn't ask. He didn't say please, but yeah. If the candle has a long wick, how can I make... If the candle has a long wick, how can I made support on it with body candle or body wick? If the candle has a long wick, how can I make support? You would have to... So let's say, for instance, Suraj... like here, for instance, that wick, you kind of have to find a happy medium. So if this... Because I know the 30... this is a 30-minute chart. Because I know the 15... Actually, the body closed here. That's why my support zone's there. But in this case, if this was a long wick, you would bring this up closer to the candle body closure, and you just find kind of that happy medium, but it has to be closer to the candle closure than it does to the bottom of the wick. But see how you can see it here? Look, this is a 15. It's much closer to the body than it is the wick. Sell or buy? I don't know, bro. Go to the casino. So we're just waiting over here. Got 4 minutes for this candle closure. Thoughts on trading ASIN markets? ASIN? Yeah, I hope that helped you, Suraj, because yeah, that's a good question. TikTok, if you're not following, drop a follow. I live stream here every single day, my dudes. Every day, man. You're going to miss it if you're not following a brother. I'm going to open up Zoom over here and do a bit of drawing as well. How come my gold chart doesn't look like the same? Is it Forex or futures? And it could just be like if you go into TradingView and look at gold, there's like a bunch of different brokers that show gold, and brokers have like, it'll always be a little bit different because brokers are showing you price slightly different. It's never going to be exactly the same. So that's why you kind of stick to the main ones like Owanda and shit like that. Owanda. What was I going to draw over here? Oh, thank you for the follow there, Dutch. Thank you for the follow there, ... So buyers above here. So my only reservation with buyers above, if you zoom out a little bit, look over here. There's a minor support of some sort here. Right? We've got that zone there, which is... How many pips away is that from that breakout zone? It's like 25, but by the time it breaks out and... Oh, it could be okay. It could be okay. Oh, thank you for the follow, Mazy. Please fund me $10. Oh, he said please this time. Brother, I love you, man, but I don't know how, I don't know if that's how it works, bro. Team Trump, sick. What up, brother? Oh, shit. Trump for the win. Trumpovsky. This, it doesn't look like it, but this zone is 110 pips over here. So even if I am looking for a breakout above here, I'm going to need a red candle to be printed before I get that breakout. Something like this. And then the following candle kind of flip and break out from there. Because you got to ask yourself, what's the probability of a chart moving up 110 pips and then also just moving up from there furthermore? It's like, nah, it'll usually have to create a bit of support first before it continues up further. Please fund me $10. No, I can't do that. I don't think. Cam followed. Oh, thank you, Cam. TikTok. I'm on Instagram. I'm on YouTube right now. Full screen. If you want to get off TikTok, full screen on YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades. It's better than looking at on a small screen on TikTok. Based on my calculations. All right, 15 candles closing in 50 seconds. How many pips are we looking to target on buys, bro? I'd honestly be happy with. If buys happen, I'm probably going to take it at like 20 pips because this range here, where it's going to have a bit of trouble getting past, is it'll be about 20 pips away. And then I'd have to assess, because I think there's going to be a couple of opportunities today to maybe get 2 trades, or none. I don't know. We'll see. Nickha, wow, that's a dangerous word. Nicah. Thank you for the follow. What up? Thank you for the follow. Yo, I'm going to your YouTube. Oh, thank you, Manuel. You're a G. Yeah, it's way better on YouTube. That's your new catchphrase, Daniel. What's my new catchphrase? Mohammed, thank you for the follow, my G. Yeah, mad. Sorry, bro, I don't want to butcher your name. Oh, fund me $10. Yeah, that is my freaking new nickname, isn't it? Oh, Manuel on the YouTube. What up, brother? What up? Good to see you, man. Good to see you there. Okay, so this candle's closed here pretty strong. We're in this range. Anyone that watches this stream pretty regularly, you'll know. Actually, you know what? I was about to say this is a no trade zone, but I'm actually not going to say that today. I might be interested in sells off this resistance area if this happens. Check this out, you guys. I'll draw something up over here. If this candle here comes up, closes still within this range, but gives this up here a decent test, right? The next candle closes smaller body here, something like this. The candle after that closes something like this, smaller body. When that new one opens up and wicks up, and me anticipating to push back down, I'll take a sell right there, anticipating to push back down to this range and beyond. The good thing about these trades is if I catch that and then this actually breaks out of the zone, I can add to my position here, anticipating the next one to continue down further. Add to my position right there. So what this indicates as it's working its way up is the candle bodies are getting smaller. It's indicating weakening and then a reversal signal off this resistance zone, because overall we know we're in a downtrend as well. So this could just be a pullback on a downtrend, right? And it's like everyone wants to catch like a pullback on a downtrend or a pullback on an uptrend. And the only way you can identify it is key areas of interest, and then the way that the candles actually formulate to give you clues that that's what it wants to do. So I actually will potentially trade within this zone. You sold gold. Just waiting over here. Is there any chance of gold going back to 2645? Let's have a look at an error over here in YouTube. No, there's no error in YouTube, man. Let me have a look. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain. Get your life together, YouTube. Sorry, one sec over here. YouTube, am I still live on YouTube? Can anyone say anything in the chat there? It's not easy streaming, bro. What were you saying? Is there any... Taser, what up, what up? Chance gold going back to 2645. Yes, sir. 264526. Oh, 2645's all the way back up here, is it? Maybe. Who? I don't know. I don't know. I don't think you should try to know. Yeah, you are. Oh, thank God. Thanks, Dua. MC? I don't know, bro. I don't know if you who... Be careful about trying to know that kind of stuff, I would say. Like, look where we are. We're ages away from there. Let's just try to... Unless you're a swing trader. I don't know. My answer is I don't know. I don't take chances. I think the trend is going bearish. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can get any type of clear indication of what it wants to do next. It's streaming perfect. Ah, sick. All right, sweet. I doubt gold will hit back up there until next year. That's what I was going to say as well. If it does, I have a feeling it's going to be on a decline for a while, and then next year we might see some sort of you know, movement back up. But it's been moving up so aggressively, like it almost feels like it's at some point going to need some sort of pullback. But yeah, who knows? TikTok, if you're not following, drop a follow, my dudes. I live stream every day. Every day. Henny Horn, thank you for the follow. Do you look at Bookmap or DXY? No. When you buy, can you let me know so I can do the same? Oh, I will let you know, but I don't advise such activities. But if you choose to trade with me, that's all good. Andy, what up? What up? Good over here, brother. Blessed, highly favored. Yeah, I'm doing amazing. I'm doing amazing, man. My life is better today than it was yesterday, and then yesterday it was better than the day it was before, so I'm on an upward trajectory. If I was a chart, I'd be in an uptrend. So that's good news. Isn't the RSI oversold? I don't know. I don't look at that. I'm sure it can tell you a bunch of things. I'm sure I could throw every indicator on the chart and it would tell me a bunch of different shit. But yeah, I just choose not to worry about that. I just watch price and make decisions based on price action. Yamsy, what up? What up? I'm incredible. Bro, what's the best indicators? None. Clean chart, candlesticks. Understand candlesticks, you'll understand the world. No, but on the real, like look at my chart, there's nothing. I don't have another screen with indicators. It's just price action, candlesticks. That's it. Not to mention, you got to understand, indicators are lagging, right? They give you information after the fact. I don't know. There's going to be 1,000 people that will argue with me about indicators, but bro, just price for me. Still want to buy. Ooh. So just waiting over here now. What do we got? The 1 hour's come down. 30-minute. We're kind of in this range. I showed what I might be looking for a sell off this resistance, but what time frame are you using? I'll just flick through them all, but I'll mainly just stay on the 15. This is a 15 right now. TikTok, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades, full screen. You can watch a stream on actual YouTube, not TikTok. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. Indicates create more confusion, to be honest. Yeah, I agree. Yep, as he always says, a naked chart is enough, bro. Like, well, personally, the way that I trade, at least, like a lot of the traders that I'm kind of look up to, they all use naked charts as well. Like, yeah, and those that are like super experienced, if these high level guys use indicators, it's very little. They might be using like SMA or something, like something real basic. Yesterday was a strong sell. Yeah, yesterday was amazing. We caught a nice trade on stream as well. Oh, OPJ, thank you for the share over there. Gang. Or volume indicators, yeah. I know some people use like the footprints and shit like that, but yeah. Taser, the follow is making my day. So we've got 6 minutes here for this candle closure. Let's see if something can happen over here. If this candle closes kind of how it is now, then this zone for me becomes a no trade zone. Right? I need it to kind of stay green, because if it doesn't, then we're going to have a minus. If this flips red and closes red, then that means there's a minus support that's being created. right in the center of this right in the center of this range, and I was only interested in trading it because it's quite clean if that doesn't close red. That's all. Yeah, I agree. Bollywood Jules, thank you for the follow. I love you. I love you for that. TikTok, let's try and get this to 100k likes. It's at 6k. There's only 94,000 to go. Time frame 15 minute. Oh, Alaresa. What up? What up? I'm incredible. I'm incredible. Just here on gold, waiting for an opportunity over here. There's 15 closes in 4 minutes, which will also be the 30-minute closure. So yeah, I'm amazing. I'm literally amazing. Internally. How many times do you trade a day? I only trade the London session, and I only trade gold, and I only take 2 trades a day. That's what it is. Renata, thank you for the flower. Incredible. Come on, TikTok. I've literally got 94,000 likes to get to 100,000 likes in the next 5 minutes. I'm sorry, I didn't get it how many times? I take 2 trades a day. But some days I don't take any trades. I take 2 trades a day as long as my actual setup is there, right? Because I'll hang out. Like yesterday, I hung out for 2 hours, which is cool, which is what I do every day. And my setup nearly didn't arise. And then what I was waiting for happened, which was a breakout, and I took the trade. But sometimes that doesn't happen. Sometimes it'll just leave without me, and I'll have to wave the trade goodbye and just be like, okay, well, looks like I'm not trading today. Right? And that's fine. Oh, Dr. Yucky, thank you for the follow. G. Bro, I've got 34 follows from this TikTok stream. I need 100 to get my actual account to 5,000. That'll be life-changing. Do you trade CPI day? Yeah, I'll trade CPI day. I won't trade the actual news event. Oh, Chief and Jeremiah, thank you for the follow. On Monday, I took a $5 account to 90, profit on gold sell. Wow, that's insane. What up, Montana? What is up? That's wild. Full margin, all in. Good stuff. Oh, TikTok just spammed the likes over here. Wow. And I trade London. CPI will be during the New York sesh, so I won't be trading there anyway. And I'll trade a couple hours before CPI because the markets generally get pretty choppy before high impact news. Do you trade NFP? We've seen what happened last time. What up, Riley? Oh, that's funny. I made 18 to 100 today. Wow, everyone's flipping accounts over here. Bro, I don't... Like, CPI is fun, but it's just gambling, right? It's just a gamble day. And yeah, I got lucky last gamble day. I don't know if I'll do it again. Like, it's fun, a bit of entertainment for TikTok, even though they took my video down because I said it's gambling. But I was just being honest, it's freaking gambling. Isn't gold in a great zone to buy? Just asking. If you can explain to me real quick why you say that, I'll be curious. Like, I'm genuinely curious, and I'll be able to give you my opinion. Gym split. Bro, these days I just rock up and train what I think is lacking. Train what I think is lacking the most. Type shit. Ooh. Oh, tender on the follow. Thank you. I'm also very lucky today. Held a sell from 2.6 to 7. Yeah, that's massive. That's ginormous. I feel like switching these lights up over here. Yeah, I'm feeling zesty with this pink light, actually. I'm feeling zesty with this pink light. Been trading Bitcoin, easiest setup. Oh, let's have a look at Bitcoin. I was interested in taking a buy, but I don't think my account will let me. Oh no, it's still coming down. Okay, sweet, I didn't miss out there. Wouldn't gold be a good time to buy as it's been targeting previous session highs? It's been as it could be targeting. But see that, Thomas, see that sentence you just said then? Because it could be doing XYZ. Like, we don't know what it's doing. We can't get in the mind of the charts. We just have to execute on what it's actually doing. And right now, for me personally, it's just ranging within this zone right now. And I know on the higher time frames, we're in a downtrend, right? We're in a downtrend. But right now, it's kind of fueling up to make a new decision on which way it wants to go, up or down. And for me to get a clear confirmation for what direction it's going to go, I need a candle to close outside of this range, right? A 15-minute candle upwards, 15 to 30 to 1 hour, to close outside this range to give me a confirmation. Other than that, it's just dancing around like gold likes to do. What's your target pips per day? I don't know. Pips per trade, I would like to catch like minimum 12 pips, maybe average 17 pips, and maximum 1,000. Daniel, which platform do you take your trades? Ninja Trader, because I'm currently trading a 100K challenge account with Apex, and they use Ninja Trader. No, I'm waiting till it breaks out of the zone. Thomas said, yeah, that's the way for sure. Oh, TikTok, I'm nearly at 10,000 likes. I've only got 90,000 to go in the next 3 seconds. Charting website name, is it TradingView? Yeah, it's TradingView. Thomas, yeah, that's the way, brother. That's the way. How do you decide your range? So, my range, you know, I'll always start with the top down, right? So this is the 4 hour. I go, cool, it's coming down, whatever. Hour, cool, we're in this kind of area here. 30-minute, cool. And then the last one I go to is the 15. And I go, okay, support or resistance is when a green and red candle print next to each other on the 15-minute candle upwards. So I can see on this 15, we've had some sort of support up here. The two closest candles that closed together is right here, these two. So my support zone goes, my resistance zone goes there. And I don't put my resistance zone right there at the candle closures. And I also don't put it there at the wick. I do it like kind of close to the closure, somewhere around that mid zone, right? And I go, okay, cool. Where is the closest blue and red candle printed next to each other on the downside? Well, that's right here. So that's my support zone now. And a lot of the times, like you'll see yesterday type shit, that support zone will get touched a lot before it actually breaks out. Like, for instance, you know, somewhere like this, you know, this was obviously a pretty heavy support zone. It kept coming down, touching it, and then eventually broke through, as you can see here. But yeah, I hope that makes sense. The example you did now with the candles when you will enter the trade, what about it? Bitcoin, bro? Nah, I don't care about Bitcoin. Why I asked? Because of swing low. I don't know about swing lows and shit like that. I don't know anything. Sorry, bro. What's the difference between silver pot and gold spot? Or silver, well, silver and gold's gold. It does, thank you. Sick. All right, cool. Gang, TikTok, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades, live stream on YouTube, proper screen, not little TikTok screen. No little TikTok screen, big screen. Oh, Fantasy Sunny, thank you for the follow. I love you. Thank you. The first contact, it feels very fresh. What do you mean by that? Die. What do you mean by that? Daniel, I see you do not use you don't use indicators, so I guess you only trade pure price action. Exactly, Oscar. Exactly. Just price action. I pay attention to key zones like support, resistance, these are my areas of interest, and that's where I base my trade entries off these key areas of resistance and support. But yeah, no indicators over here. I think gold will go down tonight. Yeah, I don't know. YouTube screen is so much better, guys. Yeah, bro, 100% Dilawar. 100%. Do you trade ICT method? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'm not trying to be a dick, but if 90% of traders lose and 90% of new traders use ICT concepts, there could be some sort of correlation there. I don't think it's a correlation, but no, I just don't use them concepts. Oh, 10k likes over there on TikTok. Wow, thank you guys. That's incredible. Holy shit. What's ICT? Good question. I'll tell you what ICT is. It's a guy that made a certain way of trading prominent in like the space. But really it's kind of concepts that have been around forever, but he kind of just renamed them, and then he's gone on like schizo rants, acting as if he like coded the algorithm of charts, and it goes deep, bro. What pairs do you trade? I only trade gold. Oh, TikTok already spammed 1,000 likes in like a second here. Yeah, only gold. Sophian, hello. I wang to know T time frame 15 minute. It is weak confirmation or no? Yes, very good spot there. It is a weak confirmation, but in a lot of cases, it's the only it's a weak confirmation, so you have to use a lot of other factors in mind in order to trust it or not, right? Because at high volume times, you're not going to have much of a choice, so you have to really learn technical analysis to know, okay, this is a weak confirmation, but are there other confluences that I can stack that's going to give me a stronger probability to enter the trade. Very cool price. Yeah, exactly, brother. Why just gold? Because I found the most success when I stuck to one time frame, to one session time and one pair. And that session time was London, and that pair is gold. Is it a buy? Do I think? You need to type better English. How long did it take you to master gold? Oh, I definitely wouldn't say that, but I started to really understand gold after like a year and a half, I think. I'm only saying that a year and a half if I kind of piece shit together, because I went on a year schizo rant about all these other pairs and came back to gold and really like locked in. But you can learn gold in 6 months, 5 months, 2 months, whatever. But because the idea is like, if you really want to kind of master like a session, a pair, and master and really understand how it moves, it's going to make the most sense to just show up at the same time every day on the same pair and just see how that pair moves at that time, right? So that was kind of my belief, and that's why I did it. Oh, TikTok spamming the likes. Thank you, gang. Thank you. TikTok, if you're not following, bro, drop a follow, my dudes. I'll be live streaming every day during the London sesh. Drop a flizzle. It's in my buy zone. It's in your buy zone? This middle of this range is your buy zone? Please just let us know when you decide to open a trade. Yeah, I can't not let you know. It'll be all on the screen. Because I'm not letting you know in the sense of like, hey guys, I'm entering trade. You better like enter with me. No, I'm just doing it. And if you decide to do it as well, then I guess that's on you. But you got to be quick with it, because I manage my positions quick. If I decide that, yeah, I'm going to take off 50%, it's in drawdown, I'll do this shit quick. Where are you from? Brisbane. I live in Australia. Australia, mate. When does this 15 close? 4 minutes. Australia. Too many spiders there. Yeah, it depends where you are, I guess. I live in a city, so there's like the city has just kind of destroyed all natural habitat. Is cricket your national sport? I don't even know what our national sport is. Our national sport's just kind of like drinking alcohol, really. What's your thought on capital.com? It sounds like a spammy ad that probably annoys me way too much on Instagram. So I don't know. Do you do anything else aside from trading, or is that just it? I wake up in the morning, I go straight to the gym, I do a weighted workout or yoga or the sauna, and then I have a day job. I work for a gas company from home, so then I do my day job, and then at the afternoon I get my stream ready. I jump on here and stream live and take my trades and try to pursue my trading dreams. And then after the stream I make a bit of content, and then I play Fortnite with some of my friends, eat clean all throughout the day and night, have dinner, and then before bed I read a book on either self-development or finance. And that's my daily routine on repeat. Because my thesis is, if I'm chasing my dreams, right, probably like all you guys are when it comes to trading, and I know it sounds corny, but it's just really the simplest way to put it. If I'm pursuing my dreams, I'm gonna have to try to stack the odds in my favor, and the best way to do that is by keeping my habits super clean and repetitive and positive, and things that are probably just only going to favor me to the best that they can in order for me to reach my highest potential. So I think my routine's pretty locked right now. Do you have kids? No, I have no partner, no kids, so I'm hyper focused. Are you currently trading a prop firm? Yeah. I'm on 100k Apex. Dude. Oh, you're from Melbourne over there. Just a standard bloke. Wait, TikTok. In my TikTok bio as well is my Discord. If you want to join the Discord, really started a community over there and just kind of chat shit, really. See what you guys are looking at. And if anyone has any analysis, throw it up in the Discord and I'll bring it up here on the stream and see what you guys are looking at. Dilwar, excellent dude. Yeah, bro. Fortnite, I play Apex. Small wins, yep. Andy, what's your thoughts on FX compared to futures market? Bro, I've done the switch. I've traded Forex for 2 years. I've only recently switched to futures. It's the same shit. Like, it really is. Exact same. So I had no problem switching at all. Has your life changed to better since you started trading? How long did it take you to get here? Well, where I am, I still have a job, obviously, right? I'm not a full-time trader or anything like that. And trading's been very, very difficult, but I'm getting progressively better. And I've found the correlation between the better I am as a person and the better my trades get. Trading's made me cry, get angry, think about quitting, It's very difficult. But it's the greatest thing ever, right? We get to pull money out of thin air. And it's a game. All I've ever wanted in my life, and I'm sure you guys are the same, is an opportunity just to kind of prove yourself. Like, imagine, like, who else has thought this? In my life, I've thought, man, if it was only an opportunity that it just relied on me and my hard work, because I know if it's just me, I can do it, man. And trading is just like, oh, like, here you go. Here's the hardest Xbox game on planet Earth. Give it a crack. And I think it's an amazing thing. I would suggest one book if you want to read. It's called Feel Good Productivity by Ali Abdaal. Oh, okay. Interesting. How old are you, brother? I'm 33. I'm listening to Robert Kiyosaki. Oh, nice. Yeah. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I think that's who it is. And the, what's his other book I want to get? The Money Paradox or something? What would be your advice to a beginner who wants to start trading? Should they get a job first? 100%, bro. It's gonna, guys, listen to this. It's gonna take time, man. And the thing is, it's not just the time. You're gonna have to lose. Like, you're gonna have to go through losses. So you're literally going to have to give money to the markets before you can start getting money. So if you have no money, if you have no job and you're not income isn't coming in, and your rite of passage to actually get income from the markets is to give it to it first, then you need a job. It's just like, it's physics. Hi there, all the way from Namibia. Oh, greetings. How much do you make of the prop firm? Not much yet. I'm still in the challenge. This is some crazy patience right now. These candles are moving slowly. Yep. And that's why, hey, check this out, Ali. That's why I have these zones here. I have these zones here because I know my hands are tied until the charts get to these zones. So I have no FOMO right now. I can do whatever it wants. It can go slow, fast. I don't care. I have my zones, and until it gets there, then I'll start really like kind of pulling my socks up. Will you be a full-time trader in the future? Yes. Facts. Made 200 yesterday and blew it all today. I feel your pain there. You got to journal, man. Just, I guess, if you just look back on it now, it sucks. But I bet you if you look back on that now and go, man, I shouldn't have taken that trade. There was a clear indication over here that this was here, and this was kind of telling me I shouldn't have taken it. But you know what? I kind of took the risk, right? Anytime I've taken an L, I always look back. I'm like, yeah. Yep, there was signs there that I shouldn't have taken that. And then you just learn from it. Pulling money out of thin air sounds like the Federal Reserve. Yeah, well, it is exactly like the Federal Reserve. Yeah, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. But he has an amazing pod. Oh, does he? Interesting. Sell now, said Kuan Trading. I don't know about that, bro. I'll just wait. GMTA, great minds think alike. Ooh. So this 30-minute looks like this. The 1 hour is still open. And we're still in this range over here. See if we can get something happening. Can $10 can trade in gold? Bro, speak English, angry egg. Daniel Holmes, do you offer a mentorship? No, but I understand my strategy so fucking well, and I feel like I could help so many people, but I won't do that until I can prove myself more, right? I could guarantee help traders right now, but I want to be able to prove myself more first. So that's all. But bro, join the Discord. There's a Discord in the YouTube chat, and there's a Discord in my TikTok bio. Join the Discord gang. I like how you take your time. I was watching you last week, and you had prediction, but I was wrong. But had a prediction, but I was wrong. Yeah, bro. Let's just like be. I keep saying this on the stream, but I just always go back to like think of super high level traders that be in the game their fucking half their life. They're patient, bro. They just wait. They wait for their opportunity to strike, and that's what they do. Think about what a tiger does. It's the most corny metaphor. A tiger, when it's trying to bring up to its prey, it's patient. It just waits and it slowly moves up, and then it waits for the right opportunity. Then it strikes. So that's what I'm doing. We're just waiting in the bushes right now. I can see the gazelle. We've got the charts. The candles are pinned up against this range here, and I'm just waiting for a breakout. As soon as it leaves this range, it's out in the open, it's out in the field, and then I pounce. And that's what I'm doing right now. That's it. I love how patient you are in the market. Most of us lose because, yep, bro. And I'm in the same boat. I lose when I lose my patience. When I get antsy, I'm like, fuck it, I'm just gonna take a buy here. That's when I lose. Do you stream every night? Yeah, I stream the London session every day on this channel. So make sure you're following so you don't miss the stream, bruz. What's your win rate? I don't know. I'm still journaling that so I can actually find that out myself. I don't really give a shit, to be honest, but yeah, I'm journaling that so I can figure it out. Oh, thank you for the follow over there, Spatten Forex. Is there a point you reach in your trading journey where your strategy feels like it's not working? No, because I'm always to blame, right? I'm always to blame. Anytime I've looked back on like trades that I've lost and things like that, it's like, bro, it was because of me, not the strategy. And there's obviously times where probabilities just aren't in your favor. Like this is a probabilities game as well. Like if a trade looks perfect and it just doesn't work out, and you come back the next day and you're like, man, ticked all the boxes. Sometimes it's just probabilities. Buy now, bro. I can scroll up and you said sell now about fucking 5 minutes ago. So don't be trying to coming around here. Someone said Bitcoin buy. Yeah, Bitcoin's juicy, bro. The 1 hour's gonna, yeah, not bad. Let's go back to gold though. We're trying to watch gold over here. Do you have a funded account? I'm in a 100k challenge account as we speak. That's what I'll be trading on. I'm in a couple actually. I've got about 3 accounts. Oh, Fox on the follow. Thank you, brother. Haha, buy now, wait, sell. No, wait, buy. Bro, legit. What the fuck? Do you like dairy milk chocolate? No. No, I don't. I don't like any milky shit unless it's almond milk. I'm not a freaking cow or animal. Oh, Killer Instinct. I haven't seen you in the chat for a while. Is it a must do for journal? Do we need to? Will it actually help us improve? I'm still new to the space. Yes, it will help. Oh, Doggy, thank you for the follow. It will help. And here's why it'll help the most. Is because when you take an L, bro, what's your initial reaction? It's to be like, ah, fuck. And like, you're kind of done. And then you just come back the next day and it's like, maybe I'll get the markets tomorrow type shit. But you're not really learning. Like you think you are, but you're kind of not. When you're forced to go through the pain of actually facing your error, you're kind of putting a spotlight on your errors, and it helps you improve on making them errors again in the future. So I think it does help a lot. And also, if you really want to be like, I'm doing mine as well, just to catch, what's it called? Just to also get data. Like I want to see what setups work on Monday, right? I want to see how many times on a Monday this particular trade works type shit. Like if I look at my journal here, let me show you an example. If I go to I'll do it another time, but essentially I can isolate this because I have names for my setups. I can isolate this particular setup on a Monday at which time I took the trade, and I can see how many times I won and lost taking that trade at that time on that day, right? And you can start to really dissect your data. Been trying to pass the first phase of my challenge, but it's taken ages. Bro, that's that's everyone, bro. Just stick to it. And if you're keeping an account for a long time, that's awesome, bro. That's a testament to your patience. That's good. Oh, Zeke and Zeke on the TikTok. Zeke, you just jump around the platforms, eh? Oh, that's good. Yes, I'd like to know more about the journal also. Yeah, the journal. So it's called Notion, the one that I use. Here, I'll add a filter here. What can I go to? The setup here. So let me click my setup and oh no, it's not the setup. What is it? Position? Bro, where the flip is my yeah, I can't do it. Anyway. Yeah, journal's crucial. And like I said, the biggest thing is just to face your loss. Like no one ever wants to face a loss. It kind of hurts, right? But you learn from it when you do. It's the same in life. Like imagine like you do something dumb in life and someone's like, usually when you do something dumb in life that you regret, you kind of like push it to the side. But imagine if someone's like, hey, face this. You're probably not going to do it again. Bro, what time frame do you use to see this range? This is a 15-minute. What are these account challenges and how do you work? You pay a fee to You pay a fee to do a challenge. If you can pass the challenge, you have funds to use. It's not really someone else's funds; it's simulated funds, but the profits you make on it are real. Ali, if I got a working strategy, the right mindset, market experience, and I'm disciplined and have risk management, will I be a long-term trader 100% of time? Yes. The only thing that I was thinking that whole time is there's a human component, right? There's a human component. Because technically a robot should be able to do that. Technically a robot could just adopt a strategy, have risk management, and they don't have to worry about mindset because they're a robot, right? So then you think, then why aren't robots profitable? Because there's a human component. There's intuition. There's knowing when and not to enter a trade based on potential news coming up, and the way that the way that this candle kind of ticked, it went aggressively up and then back down, and like, oh, I've seen that before, and hang on a minute, like, you know, all these small intricate things that only humans can do is the other component to it. So the answer is yes, but you just remember, like, yeah, that human component is really important. Wow. I go to sell, said Muhammad. Interesting. What would a realistic percentage to bring back per month, week, or day? It depends where you are in your journey. How many types of setups would you mainly trade? I personally have 5, but typically only see 4 of. Typically only see like 2 or 3 of my main setups, which is like a breakout or an onion, which is what one of them would be called. But I have about 4 or 5 different entries. Oh, thank you for the follows over there, TikTok. Gang. Zari, Yoa, Balenciaga 1. Gang, gang. Isn't that interesting though, Ali? Like that idea that a robot technically could adopt a strategy, have no mindset, they don't have to worry about mindset, but it's that human component that makes humans are the only ones that can be profitable in the markets. No matter how advanced AI gets, they still can't win these charts because intuition, human consciousness, like that's the insane thing about trading, right? There's like, you have to be an organic human with a consciousness to be able to win this chart. Do you use EMA? No, I use no indicators at all. Just price action, brother. Mahmoud, gang. Hit that like button, people. Yeah, Chris, bro, that's what I'm saying. I'm trying to get to 1 million over here. 1 million likes on this stream. TikTok. I need that cup, bro. Bro, this was... I need big cups over here, so that's why. Well, I'm happy that's one thing robots can't replicate. Yes. Yep. You need to have a spirit to be able to win on these charts. Do you sometimes compare gold to other futures or pairs? No. Like in terms of the opposites? No, not at all. Nah, because I try to limit anything that's going to overwhelm my mind. Trading's already relatively exhausting enough. Like you don't think it is, but it's actually quite mentally taxing to be on the charts, especially when you've taken trades and shit like that. So I try to decrease the potential mental fatigue as much as I can. And one of the biggest ways is just by having a clean chart. So this 15 is about to close over here. This is also the hour and the 30, you guys. So check this out. This is a 30. Wow, that 30 fucking did nothing. The hour, left a wick, no bottom wick, just chilling. And the 15. So my bias is still sell heavy, so we'll see what happens here. Is it a buy on gold? Well, if you read my actual screen, you will have all the answers to those questions that are on the screen. That's the only thing. And again, TikTok, I've got a Discord in my TikTok bio. If you're keen to join the Discord, come say what up in there. We're killing it over there. Not really, but we're just chilling. Can I get a prop firm, please? As in me give you one? I actually will be doing that soon in my Discord. So I linked with Funded Next. They've given me a couple accounts. Not just yet. They haven't given me the credentials yet. But I found out they're on hold because they're not just giving me. They've linked with a few like trading influencers, I guess. And they're giving out the accounts very soon. So I'll be able to hook some people up in the Discord very soon. Oh, Weed Lord, thank you for the follow, my man. On the Gunja over here. What time frame do you get your bias? All of them, but I enter typically on the 15 or the 30. Nothing below the 15. Tried buying several times today. Oh yeah, it's been a pretty heavy day on the decline, so. Thumbly, thank you for the ice cream over there. Epic. I'm on the ice creams. Ice cream, so yum. Yeah, just a standard bloke, bro. Even if you go to my Discord in my bio, it doesn't even close the stream. The stream stays open. Ice cream, so yum. Bro, I don't know what the ice cream... I don't know. So people give me gifts and shit. I don't know like what it is in terms of money. Like I know it's like a couple of cents and things like that. I don't know like the hierarchy of them. Is the ice cream relatively good? Because Thumbly, your name has a thing next to it right now that says #1. Maybe an ice cream is actually pretty hectic. Ice cream's so yum. Bro, yesterday got almost 600 pips selling gold. Bro, you didn't get 600 pips selling gold because gold hasn't even moved 600 pips since yesterday. Or has it? Let's have a look. Oh, gold is... Wait, is that yesterday? Daily. Oh, yes, you did get 600 pips maybe. Yeah, it has moved more than 600. Wow, incredible. Incredible. I'd be done for the week. Ice cream's so yum. You can call me Maurice. Oh, okay, Maurice. Gang. Look at this. 17k likes on TikTok, insane. I always make money then lose it all. How do I get past that? Well, if you make money then lose it all, what it sounds like is that you make money and you get a bit confident, and then you start risking a bit too much, right? Because you're confident, you're like, oh, I've got a buffer now, and then you drop doing what actually got you to the game, and maybe you start gambling a little bit too much, taking trades that aren't in your best interest. I don't know what you do, but just if you say I always make money then lose it, it could be a bit of like a you know, a bit of a mind game thing that your mind thinks you're safe now because you've made money. What do you think makes institutional traders different from the US? Difference from us? Not much at all. Just big amounts of money, been in the game for a while. Maybe they have some access to a bit of data that we don't know, but overall, not much, bro. Not much at all. Institutional traders lose all the time as well. A lot of them lose large amounts of money and then give up the game altogether. That sounds about right, to be honest. Yeah, maybe look into that. Maybe look into that psychology and go, hey, if I win a trade for the day, maybe I'm done for the day, because I have a tendency to give my money back. So why not just call it a day and come back with a fresh mind tomorrow after I've won money? The ability to influence the market, I don't know about any of that. Yeah, exactly what Henny Horn said here in the chat. When making money, maybe have a daily mark and then walk away. Yep, I think that's a good idea. Do you trade the New York session? No, just London session. If I try to trade London then move into New York, I'm too mentally fatigued and I'll make silly decisions, I think. So over here, so check this out, you guys. I would be interested if I get something like this with this candle, right? If this can come down like this, the next one kind of wick up a little bit, show me it doesn't want to be there, and the next one drop down again, and then take my sell there around the break of the previous candle wick. All right, that'll be a breakout trade that I'm looking at. I think this is a decent enough range where it's moving from, because typically I would like, you know, a green candle to be printed somewhere down there. Where is it dropping from? You know, 40 something pips. It's not ideal, but it's pretty good. I put a buy in at 2603. Do you think I should remove it? Just stick to whatever your analysis is. Only you know why you took that trade. I don't know. New York session is the best. Yeah, it's all preference, I guess. Do sessions really play a big role when it comes to executing trades? Bro, it's everything. It's everything. I only trade session opens where I know the most volume in the market is. Right? Greetings from Mexico. What up, Rodrigo? If I were to trade, you know, like well, all sessions are pretty volatile, to be honest, but like, you know, like pre-Asia or something, or, you know, these times where statistically volume is the lowest, we need volume to push past key areas, because that's where I'm trying to trade. I'm trying to trade based on the market breaking out of or respecting or moving around key areas. And when there's no volume, you're just kind of stuck in a trade with low volume. It's mentally fatiguing to be stuck in a trade as well that's not moving. So it's just like, yeah, you want to be a part of the volume. Is gold still going to dump down? Only God knows. So right now I'm waiting for a candle to close below this range to give me some sort of indication of a sell. And two things can happen. Let's just say one of the scenarios is this just drops and just keeps going, right? And then the candle actually closes down here. My hands are tied. I can't do anything because my game plan was to actually wait for the confirmation, which is a candle to close. Let me look what the 30 minutes doing. So we'll just have to wait and see. But how do you catch the volume? Show up to the stream every day and I'll show you. There's a 4-hour FVG. I don't know about any of that shit. Should we sell? I don't know. I'm waiting for a candle to closure. If you guys see on my on my screen, there's a keyword here, closure. There are times where I will take an impulse buy on a break of structure like this, but this isn't one of those times. And if it leaves now, then that's just probabilities against me, and that's like, yeah, you know, sometimes this happens. There are certain instances where I will take impulse buy with volume pushing it past a key point. This isn't one of those times. But looks like, yeah, volume's pushing the shit out of it. Do you use the fib? Nah. What platforms do you stream on? YouTube and TikTok. I'm on YouTube right now as well. Sweegu, have you ever been funded? If so, why did you lose it? What kind of mistakes do you make? What mindset do you have? Was it any different to today's mindset? My mindset is the same every day. It's only when I break my own rules. Like, you know, we all have a set of rules that we abide by. YouTube handle, Daniel Holmes Trades. And when you break those rules, bad things happen. It's really that simple. When I show up to stream and I just wait patiently for my setups, I'm all good. It's when I break my rules and maybe have a tendency to get revenge trade or gamble or just be unprofessional, really. So I've got 4 minutes over here for this closure. Let's see if it can close outside of this range or reject up or just close slightly outside of this range. Dalaby, what up, what up? Greetings, greetings. TikTok, drop a follow if you're not already. I live stream here every day. Every day. Ice cream so good. Oh, shit the bed, man. What's this range that's kind of dropped so far? Wow, fucking 50 pips. Man, these ranges don't look as big as they are. They're fucking huge. That was 50 pips. 55 pips this has dropped past that range. Wild. Such crazy volume. Do you have to wait till it's closed? Yes, 100%. Hi Daniel, I love to show you the software I use. Not trying to sell you. What do you mean the software you use? For what? Get them. Yeah, TikTok. Oh, bro, I'm nearly at 20k likes over here on TikTok. Wild stuff. What's the username on Discord? The link isn't working. Nah, it's definitely working. You just have to click invite. I click the invite button and then I get a thing and then it invites you type shit, I think. Ninja Trader, yeah, I'd trade Ninja Trader. I'll execute the trade on. So I've got 2 minutes for this candle closure. I'll check after this if I got your invite. But as long as you click the invite button, it will 100% give you the invite. Got a minute and a half here. It's kind of holding this area quite strongly. My only potential, like if this does close down here and then it continues down, I'll have to call it a day. But if on the flip, it closes down here and it's like some sort of fake out and just kind of flips and breaks back up into the range on the next candle, then I'll be interested. So we're just going to hang out here for a second, see what this candle wants to do. A lot can happen in a minute and a half, so we'll have to wait. What prop firms are you using? I'm using Funded Next, Apex, and Topstep. They're all challenge accounts. 2 of them are 100k, one's 15. I've never used Discord before. Yeah, that's all right. I'm relatively new to it as well. Is it still safe to enter a sell if that candle closes below the closure? It depends what your strategy tells you. I'll tell you what I'll need to see. But I won't even bother until this candle closes, because what I need to see will consistently change as this candle changes. I have to wait till it closes. What do you think about taking a break? I'm not a big fan, to be honest. I think like a couple days, but no more than that. Oh, what do you think about the break? Wait, I don't know what you mean. What time frame, Weed Lord? 15. 20 seconds over here. Where is it at right now? What's the distance from this zone? Okay, not too bad. Not the best, but not too bad. I'd like it to go up a bit more. Because here's the thing, what I'm thinking now, you guys. Yeah, that was what I wanted to see. Because if I am looking to take a sell, I want to put my stop loss above the range there. So the range is now about like 25 pips away almost, which is a lot for me. Let me have a look here. The 30 is still open. We're on a heavy downtrend. We broke out of the zone on the 15. The 1 hour is created support there and it's broken past the 15. I think I like this. I want to see a bit more of a wick, and I might even want to see this. I'm going to be honest, you guys. I'll happily miss this trade today, but I think I want to see this kind of do this first, where it drops down, then pulls back, and then breaks it again. Potentially. Let me zoom out to the left. Am I missing anything over here to the left? Someone asked at the start of the stream where I think the next area is going to be. So it tapped into that one area. I said this will be a key area where it shot off here. It looks like it's tapped into that area right here and rejected. Oops. Let me have a look. What's going on? I'm going to get Ninja Trader ready. I'm not hyper confident on this. Like, I might lower my size a little bit. And I won't enter as soon as it flips. I usually would. I think I want to see it flip and then reject up again. And then when it breaks it again, then I'll look at executing, I think. Why does this look like this? Is this gold? MGC. Oh, this is a 1 minute. Okay. So yeah, I want to see it tap. I want to see it flip red and create like come down and then just pull up, pull back again, and then break it a second time. And I know I'm asking a lot, but I'm just a bit sus on this. And I think that's going to give me one more little bit of confirmation over here. So that's what I'm going to wait for. You should sell, Daniel, just now. Maybe, but I'm going to wait. So I would usually be in a sell right now, but I'm going to do something which I know I'm asking a lot and I might miss the trade, but I'm going to be okay with that. Even that's like pretty good for me. Yeah, see this right here, you guys? So I would have been in the sell typically, but I wanted to see this. I might put a sell stop there now. Yeah, I've got a sell stop there now. You can see. Okay, my order's in now. My stop loss is above the current candle wick, you guys. And my take profit is probably just a wick fill. Just a wick fill over here. That's all. So I'll also potentially look, I'll get ready to take off like 60% if I don't look like how it's looking. And that's it. So in 8 pips profit now. It's moving quite nicely here in 11 pips. I'm just looking for some sort of wick fill over here, you guys. That's all. And like I said, if it flips green, I'll look at kind of taking off 50% or so. Yeah, I'll look at taking off 50%, I think. Not immediately when it flips green, but if it kind of like gives me a bit of weight in that candle on the green side. Did you enter? Yeah, I entered. I'm just in a trade over here now. Daily 100 EMA. I don't know anything about that. Sorry, I've got this kind of here on the screen. I'm kind of watching them both. Forex and futures. So the only thing that's going through my head, you guys, is how can I save money if this starts to go against me? That's all. I'm not thinking about, imagine all the money I'm going to get. I'm simply thinking, how can I lose less money if this goes against me? Because the probability of it going against me it's high. It's a trade, man. We're in a trade. There's no guarantees. Is 21 your lucky number? Why so many specific contact? Oh, is it? No, I'd probably typically use a size of 25, but I was like, it's not the best trade. So I think I lowered it a little bit to 21. Your stop loss is around? My stop loss is above the current candle wick. So it's having like... Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, you guys. I'll be live streaming here every day. So you get to watch me lose money every day if you're following. So it's flipping green here. I'll potentially look at taking some size off if it flips a bit too green for me. I believe. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok. You guys are G's. Trust me, Daniel. For what? Take profit. It's just a wick fill, so the bottom of this wick, or not even the bottom, like somewhere down there at the lower end of that wick. I'm not trying to change the world. I'm just trying to get my piece of the pie, and that is all. But yeah, it looks like it's having a bit of difficulty pushing down over here. You'll be fine. It'll drop. Thanks. I like those words of encouragement. No, it's not a bad setup. Like, I like wick fill trades like this. My only reservation, it's kind of a little bit too far away from the breakout zone of that support, but yeah, hopefully volume will kind of push it. His stop loss and entry point is right in front of your face. Yeah, it's literally right there. But again, I'm not, you guys, I've said it again, I'll say it again. I'm not even thinking about my profits. I'm thinking about my losses. How can I lose less? So my finger's on the trigger, waiting to take off 50%. If it starts to do what I don't want it to do, which is to kind of flip green and start to like look a bit too green for me. I entered this trade anticipating volume. So it really has no business kind of hanging around in the greens for too long. Caught 100 pips on a sell out for the day. Yeah, well, I'm lucky to try to get a 10 over here, so give me some of yours. Yeah, I might look to take off some size here in a sec. I took off 60% there. and I'll let the rest run. Or if it starts to flip against me even more again, if I start to see like I don't like the way it's looking, I'll just close it. So like I said, my fingers on the trigger, just waiting to kind of manage a potential loss here. Trading is really not for the weak. Yeah, that's definitely true. That's definitely true. Yeah, because this candle's kind of just dancing a little bit. Like I was obviously anticipating a decent amount of volume. Got a decent amount of volume initially. But there's a level of hesitation here. You can see it's just like, do we want to keep going? And 5 minutes over here for this candle to close, and also the 15 closes, the 30 closes shortly as well. I'm just going to pay attention to this futures chart here. My fingers on the trigger. I'm out. I just wasn't liking the way that was moving. It was also part the reason why I used a lower lot size than I typically would, because I said, so it's a $250 loss there. It was meant to be like 450, so I saved myself some profits there. It could drop down here, but I just wasn't liking the way it was moving. I'm gonna wait for this 30 to close, and I might re-enter. I might give my trade a second chance here. This 30 closes in 3 minutes, and I might give my trade a second chance. It will drop by the time you close it, maybe, but I just stick to my rules, and my rules say that I should close a position right now because I was anticipating more volume to push it down. And we got that. I was up 11 pips initially, like volume did push it, but there was a level of hesitation there. And it was part the reason why I used a lower lot size as well, because the range in which it broke out was a bit too sus for me. What time frame do you trade? All of them. I usually execute on the 15 though. Respect your discipline. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you. Like I said, I'll wait for this 30. The 30 is a stronger confirmation candle anyway. I'm happy to re-enter. Like, I'll give my trade a second chance if this 30 can close around where it is. And I think it might, with this 15 kind of pushing up a little bit, this 30 might close a bit closer to this prior support range as well, which gives me a better place for my stop loss. I don't like having a stop loss out here in the open. You know what I mean? Just above the current candle's wick isn't good. Are you waiting for a pullback? Well, right now I'm waiting for this 30 to close, which it does in 2 minutes, and I might give my trade a second chance. GC, this is GC. So guys, I was meant to lose $450 there. I only lost $250 because I was able to manage my loss. When most people are in a trade going, oh, look how much I'm going to make. All I'm thinking is, how can I lose less if this goes against me? Because the probability of it going against me is pretty high because it's trading, right? Trading is probabilities. What is GC? Gold. Drop a follow there on TikTok. Live stream every day. You get to see me lose every single day. How good is it to watch someone else lose and you not have to? So check this out, guys. See how I closed my position here? Now I would be losing much more money than I needed to. And this candle closed in 1 minute. I entered the trade anticipating this candle to be way more red by now, right? I wasn't entering the trade going, oh, I hope it stays green, right? So when you exited the 60%, it's because you were less confident in the trade but thought it might drop. Do you scale? No, I exited 60% if it started to flip like this, because I entered the trade expecting it to look like this, right? I didn't enter the trade because I wanted it to flip green. flipping green means that it's not doing what I wanted it to do, what I was expecting it to do. So if it started to go too green on me, then I might as well close most of my position, because the trade thesis isn't playing out how I anticipated. So I get to save myself more money. But I like what this looks like on the 30 now, you guys. I actually really like how this looks on the 30. No cap. And I might see if... So check this out, guys. I would have been tagged out right here, nearly. I saved myself a lot of money over here. It's all about discipline and patience. You're doing very well. Just humble opinion. Oh, appreciate that, MG. Definitely, definitely. But like I said, the 30 minutes a stronger confirmation candle, and the 30 minute has just broken outside of this range now. And I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. That 15 closed bull doji. See if it wicks down or wicks up first and what it can do. I would have closed too. Have you ever heard of Bliffin? No, I've heard of nothing like that. So let's see if this can wick up a little bit here. And if it flips, I'll actually put a sell stop again right there below the candle body of the 15 that just closed, anticipating that continuation and a wick fill on the 30-minute chart. I would like a bit more of a wick here on the 30 though. What does the 1 hour look like? You know what we need to check? The 4 hour. That's something oh no, 4 hours sweet. 4 hours got heaps of time left. Oh, that 30 just flipped aggressively. Damn, I might have missed my opportunity here. If it leaves right now, then that's kind of a bit of a shame, but it is what it is. Time frame's 15. No, I'm not in the trade. I just took a small L. I might re-enter my trade, but it looks like it might leave here on me. It looks like it may leave. It's leaving quite prematurely, but to be honest. So in an ideal world, this comes back up, flips green, and then comes back down, and I take a sell. If this leaves now, then there's nothing I can do, and I'm done for the day with a small L. But I want to see this flip green again, and then I'll yeah, perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up NinjaTrader again. Let me just change something over here. Data series, and bring this to do not show entries, because that's distracting. I'm going to put a sell stop here below the previous candle's body. 20. I'll lower it a little bit more again just because I took a small L there. Sell stop. So check this out, you guys. I have a sell order right here. If this flips red again, this candle here, because this is the new 30-minute candle. If this flips red and breaks this body again, I'll be in a sell. How much opportunity to enter in a week? Oh, bro, if you show up every day, it's typically an opportunity every day, I believe. So if I get tagged in here, all the same shit applies. I'm just ready to take off percentages if the trade goes against me. I'm sticking to my rules. This is a good entry for my strategy. It works, it works. It doesn't. As long as I know I stuck to my rules, and that's all I can do. What the hell? How is that dropped and I'm not even tagged in yet? There you go. All right, dope. I'm giving my trade a second chance. I'm straight away prepared to take off 50% if it starts to look ugly. And that is all. That is all, folks. We're missing huge crypto moves. Crypto schmipto. I'd rather be here on gold losing money type shit. Oh no. So I'm giving my trade a second chance here. See if I can finish the day with a small profit or what I can do, but yeah. Sticking to my rules. An opportunity arose to give my trade a second chance, so that's what I'm doing. But again, all I'm thinking is how can I manage it if it goes against me? How can I lose less? Oh, thank you for the follow over there, Vincent, on TikTok. You are a true G. How do you know what session you're in? I just show up every day on the London session, but if you type babypips.com into Google, they have like a session. They'll tell you what sessions are up. Like write in baby pips sessions or something like that. It'll tell you. Oh, very juicy. So I'm going to take profits here in a sec. I'm out, you guys. That was 20 pips there. And I finished the day at break even. All right, so that's cool. I don't know how that's possible. I just fucking took more profits there than the actual trade and than the trade I lost. But break even is better than an L, right? The opportunity arose for me to give my trade a second chance, and I was able to take it. I was able to take that trade, and it can drop now. It can do whatever it wants. I don't care, bro. Someone asked earlier, how many pips do you usually go for? I said 12. If I get 18, I'm happy. 17 is probably the middle one. I just got 20, right? That's it. So it's really just another day just in the markets. You win some, you lose some. Today I won and lost and just finished in the middle. Finished in the middle and was able to manage the trades quite nicely, and I get to live another day, really. Oh, I know why it ended up break even though I got more pips here, is because I lowered the lot size on this re-entry. Someone said here, can we sell right now? Bro. Too Much TV, what up, what up? Drop a follow there, TikTok, for the win. Oh, that's funny. You only take trade on gold? Yeah. Yep. But guys, that's me done for the day. Small L, took a pretty nice win there when I re-entered, gave my trade a second chance. I took the first one on the 15, but I took the second one based on the 30 minute and was able to get a wick fill trade over here and get back my profits there on that small L. W's in the chat over there on YouTube. Yeah, that was quite nice there. So that type of volume and that trade that I just entered there was what I anticipated for the first one, right? But the first one kind of danced around and flipped green. So there's not much I can do there. My hands are tied. But the opportunity came to re-enter, and that's what I did. What's a pip? A pip is a range within the chart in which the candle moves, and you can kind of measure the distance type shit. I caught that as well. Oh, excellent, Dilawar. Great. TikTok and YouTube. Bro, TikTok in my Discord. There's a Discord in my TikTok bio. Join the Discord if you're a true G. I might, to be honest, you guys, I might hang around here for a second and just see what happens. I'll wait for this candle to close because I'm not going to lie, there could be an opportunity here. Let me have a look at the 4 hour. Let me see if I can give back my profits for the day. No, there's actually not. So I was looking for a particular fade type of setup, but it has to be around a 4 hour rejection zone, and this isn't a 4 hour rejection zone. But it is out in the open like this. Let me use my brain here. It is out in the open. No, I'm going against the trend. No, I'm not. I'm not. Do you think potential for new buys in the next hour or so? You just have to wait till the candle closes. You'll have to wait till... Yeah, you just have to wait. I caught 23 pips. Very nice. Dude, I'm trying to join the Discord, but it doesn't let me. It does. All you have to do is click invite or accept invite. And then I think when I open it up next, I just accept you or something. As long as you click that accept invite button, you'll be sweet. Yeah, it's in the YouTube chat pinned. Oh, we've got a W over here. Frank, nice. It doesn't let me. Yeah, it does. If it doesn't let you, tell me what it says. Tell me what it actually says that makes you think it doesn't let you. So I was thinking of taking a buy right now at the break of that previous week. Let's see how it would have played out. Sometimes it's good to kind of play these trades out in your head and just see what would have happened. So I'd be in a buy right now. Mentally. Oh, thank you for the follow over there. G Loveheart S on TikTok. TikTok, drop a follow. I live stream every day. I'll be back tomorrow. Do it all again. Gold is dying. Gold is just gold. I'm just going to hang out here, see how this candle closes, and then call it a day, gang. But very good day today. It was a good opportunity for me, at least, to exercise discipline, manage the loss, and then give my trade a second chance and kind of come back to a break-even point. Yeah, nice. So I would have been out of that trade that I would have took in my imagination there because it wasn't at a 4-hour rejection zone. Good stuff for me not entering that trade there. Sometimes it's good just to enter it in your brain. Are you taking a buy? I just took a sell. What other pairs do you trade? None. Just gold. Gold during the London session every day. Oh, someone, thank you for the gifts over there. Reichler and Satcha Pong 556. Gang, gang. Ice cream's so good. You did perfect. Well, man. Oh, thank you, Dillawa. Appreciate it. Sticking to your principles. Exactly, man. And that's it. And it might not be one of these days where you walk away with a mad profit, but at least I didn't walk away with a mad loss, right? We get to live another day and just keep stacking the wins. At least I got to practice discipline, right? Interesting. Look at gold over here. So this is a 15. What's the 30 look like? But yeah, I'm going to call it out. I'm a bit mentally fatigued. Thank you guys for joining the stream. If you're not following, drop a follow. I'll be back tomorrow. And I love yous all. And yeah, I love yous. So thank you guys. And I'll see you tomorrow.